Morning. Trying to get some food in because today is part 3 move day. Now I've got to get the van out onto the road, hooked up to Mike's car and shifted over to the place. In fact, I better dig out the address of where we're going. The problem is it's quite a big beast. It's really wide and very much gap. Morning, Mike. The plan is if we get your car out, stick your car there, back the Caravan out here to the side of Claire's car and then drive it forward onto yours. So we'll give it a go. Show you how tight this is. Flip me. I might not make that, but and then I don't. I think we've got about the same on both sides. Brake. Let's get the address and we're good to go. Well, super job. We made it. Just got to find out where to take it now. Customer reception looks good. Bailey approved service centre. Will do nicely. Right then, that's that. Yeah. Done. So they're gonna get it sorted and a few things that they need to do. There's the dents and repairs that are on it. On the outside. Then there is electrics. There's a heater element that needs to be fixed. Oh yeah, and the hobnobs don't stay on. It's 40 an hour, eh? Well, so that's that then. Wow, that is a huge space. It makes the garden massive now. It's in for the repair, but I'm gonna have to get it back apparently, because they won't sell it from there. That's not going to go down well. Wish me luck. That's that. I'll see you tomorrow. La 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 la.